In this video, I'm going to show you how straightforward it is to use Zoom to communicate with your group members via your laptops. You do need to have a laptop or a desktop that has a camera with it, but most laptops anymore have that availability. Or you can also download the Zoom app to your smartphone and use it that way. I prefer to use my laptop, but I've had several students meet with me using their phones. Matter of fact, even as passengers in cars that are going places, etc. It's very, very handy. And matter of fact, well, what you need to do is just go ahead and sign up. And so I'm going to put in hopefully I don't have something for my Gmail. Oops, all right. And so then they send you a confirmation email account there. And so I'm going to activate my account, and then I have to put my information in. I'm just going to go to my account because I know that it works. And so here, for me, the quickest way to use Zoom on the spot is to just go to host a meeting and then host it with video on. And then you can click invite, and I find it easiest to just copy the invitation and then I email it, put it into D2L, etc. Or we can schedule a meeting. So I'm going to leave this one here. And since I've got the site up on the right, I'm just going to go to schedule, and there I can go ahead and put when I want to have my meeting. And the thing that I really like about it is I use Google Calendar now more than any other, and so I can schedule the meeting, and from this I could add guests to attend my meeting, and it's very, very handy. And then I just hit save. One of the other nice features about Zoom is that you can record. So there's this archive. Matter of fact, pretty much any video that I have with students anymore, because of evidence, I ask if I could record it because it's documentation of what was said during our meeting. Anyway, that's as simple as it is. For the free version, which is what I've always used, you can have up to 40 minutes with 3 or more people. If you need to go longer, you just set up another Zoom meeting. You also can have 50 people in your meeting. I think about 13 is the most I've ever had in a Zoom meeting at once, but it works. If you have the paid version, it's up to 1,000 people, but that's quite a few on there, but very, very handy. I hope that you check it out and communicate with your group members and try it. This is something that I've been using it since I learned about it in 2015, and with my face-to-face classes, because students are so busy that we're not all able to meet physically in the same spot at the same time. So this Zoom makes this possible. Check it out. Thanks for listening.